This facility is located in an old neighborhood entitled Lickskillet. At one time, this was mostly plantation land. We have the big UGA, our state school, just a few blocks from here, so it's a pretty rich, small community. This building was about circa 1856 or so, and it was privately owned by two sequential families, the Wares and then the Lindens. Once the Lindens sold this house, it became many different things. In the 70s, a couple from Philadelphia moved here to launch an art center in this old building. This room is a new interpretive exhibit that is available as well for viewing. It looks pretty different than the rest of the decorative house, and it is designed to bring forward the other piece of the story that has been somewhat hidden all these years, with the intention of bringing forth the wholesome truth of all of the people that inhabited this house on this campus, from the enslaved, born enslaved, those purchased and enslaved by primarily the Ware family.
We cannot move forward without knowing the whole story, and the whole story has not been told. So part of this is to tell the whole story, to say what happened from all the perspectives of the people who lived it. And from there, we can have a better understanding of our community, why it is where it is today.
One of the things that we really have been forthright about is that we want to celebrate every aspect of the Athens community.
There is constant information being unfolded and involved, and there are many people who are working towards this idea of just bringing forth as many truths as possible.
The community will love this place because it creates an opportunity to dream, imagine, and also with the books, an opportunity to do a little research and to allow creativity to flow.
The AARP Community Challenge Grant covered most of what you see in this exhibit, including a new paint, beautiful blue color, all of the graphics and the design, the furniture, and our library, which is full of wonderful books about historic houses and enslaved populations and visual arts by African Americans, Black music, etc., as well as a kiosk and iPad with documents that you can dive in deeper by scrolling in and reading all of the very deep details. Also provided the funds for the Athens African American Heritage Pathway, which we're very excited about. In this room, you can see the trifold and the information for where you will locate the signs along the downtown district. And we're hoping that maybe this is another cultural level in which to experience Athens.
As a commissioner, we need to invest in things like this. I think this is how you bridge gaps. This is how you build bridges.
This is important because AARP is really focused on telling the story about diversity and inclusion, and this project really hit all of those points.